guys, I am about to go to the gym to hit legs. I have my coffee. Usually I don't drink coffee before the gym because it makes me poop, but since I'm going at like 10:15, I drank coffee, had breakfast and everything. Upload a YouTube video, got some posts ready. I am killing the game today. I really wanted to go to the ballpark. Hopefully my mom and I go to the ballpark, but I've really been pushing myself in the gym lately for the last week and this week because I feel like I haven't been gaining muscle and I really want to gain muscle. So I've been going like harder. So I'm really excited for today. Here is my gym fit. So I'm wearing dark sport. I switched to the same 4 t-shirts, so the same t-shirts, different color. Alpha Elite shorts, my purple ones. I love my purple ones with my blazers. I want to wear my new ones that I got like a long time ago, but I don't want to change the laces. I'm meeting Karina's sister at the gym, so have a gym buddy today. And yeah, I guess I'll have to keep you guys updated if we end up going to the ballpark because I will vlog it. It's not till 6:40 p.m. so we'll see. You guys, I'm doing an unintentional mukbang because I dropped my sister off at the airport and then I went to the mall after to return my Abercrombie stuff and came to Whole Foods and I got the hot bar. I got a veggie spring roll, orange chicken, tortellini, and some garlic green beans. Guys, this is massive. I don't know if you could tell, but let me bite into it because I need to try it for you. I had to get it. That is good. What about a piece of orange chicken? Let's see. This small piece of orange chicken on top of it. Let's see. Orange chicken on top of it. Orange chicken is fire. We're going out to eat in like 3 hours, so I got this as like a snack. Alright, let me try the tortellini with an ooh. I love tortellini. I was really hungry. My new laptop came in. I have to go home and see it. I want to try the green beans because it's like garlic. Guys, I'm really happy with this. Wow. Wow. Earlier I did back day. And I came home back to Rhett. He slept over last night and then dropped him off and dropped my sister off to go to Boston. Phenomenal. I got this for $12. Overpriced, but I just couldn't get over how big this spring roll is. I gotta show Natalie. Let's see. Let's call Natalie, guys. Do you think she'll answer? She should. I don't want to bite it. Natalie, look. So this is what it looks like. But this is like after 2 bites. It's huge.
Yeah, it looks huge.
Yeah, and then look at this orange chicken.
Wow.
Yeah, I got it all for $12. And I also found a mush, the peanut butter oats. I took a picture of Cleo bars for you just to brag, but wow, look at that.
I fell asleep because I woke up for class and I was just so tired.
Well, I'm doing a mukbang, so I'm gonna let you go, but my new laptop came in.
Where's Rhett?
I dropped it at home.
Oh.
I had to take Tracy to the airport.
Oh. Okay, I'll let you mukbang.
Alright, babe. I really want to take a bite of orange chicken. Are you guys zoomed in? I was just like, I can't just get this without getting this. Wow. Mmm. Also, I went to Abercrombie and got a pair of jeans on sale for $20. That's my first pair ever from there. But I haven't seen the mush peanut butter, so I got it to try. Mmm. Chicken is juicy. Oh. I have to shower. I haven't showered after my workout because I had rep. But I didn't get that sweaty anyway. Oh. My camera's gonna overheat, so I'll see you guys later. I am so sweaty after the gym and it's raining out. I hit back today. Yesterday I did legs. Guys, I feel so bad because I've been slacking hardcore these past couple days. Pretty sure the last thing I recorded was on Thursday and that was at Whole Foods and it's now Monday, so I need to get back on top of my game. My calluses are hurting so, I don't even know if you can see, but my calluses are hurting so bad because I've been pushing myself for the past this is going into my 3rd week of pushing myself, aka like going like heavier weights, because I feel like I wasn't pushing myself for a while, so now, because I wasn't feeling stronger, but now I am. I feel like I'm actually making progress and like feeling stronger. But my agenda today, I'm gonna go home, make breakfast, and I'm gonna clean the house for my mom, and then just work on social media posts. That's been my life lately, and sit on the couch with Dink and Mac. Protein shake. Always. For breakfast, I'm thinking I'll either have overnight oats or eggs, hash browns, and all that. I think I'm gonna have overnight oats because I just got a new one at Whole Foods, which I'm pretty sure, I don't know if I showed you guys, but yeah, so I'm really sweaty. I didn't feel like I kind of felt like weak today, but I still pushed myself, and that's all that matters. I showed up, and yeah. I got a message Cinnaholic because, guys, tomorrow I'm going to go to Cinnaholic because they asked me when I wanted to come in. They're so sweet. And I think I'm going to go tomorrow and then hang out with Casey. For this morning's pre-workout, it's 7 a.m. I'm out of Cleo bars and I'm not buying more until I come back from California. Because it comes in like a big pack, so I have banana. I wasn't tired last night. I feel like I didn't end up going to bed till like 1 a.m. and I woke up at 6. So I was pretty tired when I woke up, but I feel okay now. I got so much done yesterday. Like, so much. So I'm really happy about that. And then might have a sleepover with Rhett tonight. Might not. If he sleeps over, he'll come with the Casey's, but we'll see. Gonna hit shoulders today. I'm really excited to hit shoulders because I want to lift a lot heavier on shoulder press. Right now I'm only doing 20 pounds and 20 pounds is hard. So I'm just trying to get stronger. But yeah, it's 7:03. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I want to be more on my game with vlogging. I don't know why. I just took like a couple days off because every time I went out, like I got, what did I get? Oh, I got like if I got McDonald's or Chick-fil-A or something, I was like, I didn't record for YouTube, but I recorded for TikTok. So I was kind of all over the place. But now, hopefully, I'll be back to normal. Oh, I can't wait to stretch. My body needs it. Oh, I'm not sore. I'm just like, need to move. So, thanks for watching.